Greetings, and welcome to this overview of the opportunity to enhance your business through the Network Insurers-Abacus Group partnership. We appreciate your taking the time to participate in our event. Our objective today will be to expose you to a unique and innovative opportunity that will enable you to add a new profit center to your business while leveraging the time and efforts of your contacts and colleagues to grow your practice and increase your income. Network Insurers was launched in December of 2011 when Scott Yoakum and Pepper Pettit sat together at a Dawson County, Georgia Rotary Club meeting. Pepper stated that he owned an insurance company and that we don't have any competition. Scott caused Pepper to pause by countering with, "Well, if you're so great, then how come I've never heard of your company?" The result was the genesis of Network Insurers. Scott's vision of getting more feet on the ground to tell the Abacus story and make them a household name by creating a way to compensate agents exponentially and provide them with an incentive to pull Abacus out of their briefcase was born. Each and every day, Scott and Pepper asked these two critical questions to agents just like you. Have your commissions been reduced? And are you making all of the money you want? In any opportunity, a number of elements must work together to ensure success. In particular, it's essential that 5 specific questions be answered. Is the company viable? Does it offer top quality products and services? Is the compensation package lucrative and attainable? Is this a timely opportunity? And are state-of-the-art training and support available? With the Network Insurers-Abacus partnership, the answer to all these questions is a resounding yes, and we'd like to take the next few minutes to explain why. First, the company. Network Insurers has partnered with the Abacus Group, a nationally recognized leader in the voluntary benefit marketplace for over 40 years. The Network Insurers-Abacus partnership is designed to empower you, the agent, to generate more money through more revenue sources, doing what you already do every day. We're not suggesting you stop doing what you're doing. We're simply suggesting you enhance your current business model in order to increase your income. As one agent stated to Scott and Pepper on hearing about the Network Insurers-Abacus partnership, "I think you've captured lightning in a bottle." You may or may not be familiar with Abacus, but they are totally debt-free, have had 14 consecutive years of growth, and even though you may have never heard of them, they are a major player in the voluntary benefits arena. One of the keys to the Abacus success story is the company's rock-solid relationships with all of the industry's top reinsurers. Abacus works directly with the top reinsurers, allowing them to be extremely flexible in designing products to meet your client's individual and specific needs. In other words, they have enormous leeway in making the product fit your client's particular situation. Additionally, by working directly with the reinsurers, Abacus saves on average 30% versus competitors and delivers these savings in the form of increased benefits to customers and increased compensation to agents. The second key to success is access to unique and unbeatable products and services. Simply put, the Abacus product line is second to none. In addition to short and long-term disability products, Abacus offers group term life, accident coverage, hospital indemnity and critical illness plans, and cancer and other dread disease protection. Again, the company's close relationships with the reinsurers allows tremendous flexibility when designing plans to fit the individual needs of the client. What makes Abacus different is that they don't just do things the way everyone else does them. And where others see objections and obstacles, Abacus sees opportunity. Abacus simply thinks differently than other carriers. And this different way of thinking lends itself perfectly to the partnership with Network Insurers, a company with a new way of thinking about making money through personal relationships, team synergy, and leveraged group effort. For example, Abacus doesn't employ an underwriting department. Every customer gets guaranteed issue. Everyone. There are no percentage participation minimums. In addition, once someone becomes a client, they will always receive rates based on their original issue age when adding additional coverage, regardless of how many years it's been since they originally purchased the coverage. These differences increase first-year penetration from the industry average of 22.5% to over 43%, reducing the risks and costs to Abacus. Think about what that means to you. If you basically doubled the number of policies you write with each group, you basically double the amount of your compensation. Which brings us back to those two key questions and the element that truly differentiates the Network Insurers-Abacus partnership from just another marketing plan: compensation. Without an outstanding compensation structure, one that's both attainable and expandable with no glass ceiling, even the best company and the greatest products can only take you so far. But as you will see, the unique character of the Network Insurers compensation plan is what sets this opportunity apart from all others. Not only do we offer you access to an outstanding basic commission package, giving you the opportunity to succeed and create revenue from your own personal production, we also provide you with the opportunity, tools, training, support, and expertise to build a unique team of your own, from which you will also receive compensation based on that entire team's production. That's right. We provide you the opportunity to leverage yourself and to be rewarded for not only your own efforts, but also for the efforts of colleagues, associates, and friends with whom you have relationships. All with no gotchas, and all based on the premise of building your own success by helping others to succeed as well. Think of all the people you know in this business, people that you work with and others that you are competing against. How would you like to make money as a result of their efforts in addition to your own? That's what we're talking about here. You can leverage their efforts, and even the efforts of people they know whom you don't, to create an income stream for yourself. As opposed to other companies, IMOs, FMOs, and brokerage operations, the Network Insurers-Abacus partnership allows you to be compensated, and compensated very well, for the production of others who join your team. And then in turn, on the team they build, and the team they build, and the team they build, and on and on and on. That's what we mean by leverage. You are leveraging and getting paid not only for your own efforts, but also for the efforts of everyone in your organization, regardless of their individual production levels. Again, no gotchas. That is truly the definition of leverage, a rising tide that raises all ships. With the Network Insurers compensation plan, you'll never have to worry about missing out on commissions or bonuses because you didn't jump through some magic hoop or because you missed some periodic quota. With Network Insurers, your earnings are based purely on the volume of product that runs through your network to the deepest level. As John Paul Getty, the pioneer oil tycoon and richest man in the world in his day, famously said, "I would rather have 1% of the efforts of 100 people than 100% of my own efforts." Getty truly understood the tremendous power of leverage, and you can utilize this exact same powerful and remarkable tool through the Network Insurers-Abacus partnership. If this opportunity is right for you, we will thoroughly immerse you in our team-building training program. Take advantage of your knowledge and contacts. In other words, create leverage. Enjoy watching your organization grow, answer your team members' needs and the needs of their clients, and make more money for yourself and your family. Very rarely in life do you get an opportunity that combines a bulletproof company, a leading product or service, and top-tier compensation. But almost never do you find these elements in tandem with great timing. You may or may not be in the voluntary group benefit market at this time. If you are, this is a great way to enhance what you're already doing by teaming with a leading carrier and leveraging your efforts with those of the people who you know, and who they know, and who they know. If you're not, you may want to think about getting in. Consider some factors. This market is the fastest growing in the benefits industry, and one of the fastest growing in the entire financial services sector. It is currently a $10 billion market, and it's growing by nearly 10% a year. Contrast this to the life insurance market, which is about $3 billion, and you will recognize its true magnitude. This market has doubled since the year 2000, which is amazing considering the economic events that transpired over those years. The stock market has languished, the life insurance industry is flat, the economy is in turmoil, unemployment is sky high. Meanwhile, the voluntary group benefits market is exploding. As we discussed earlier, you've probably had your commissions cut, and some companies are completely eliminating agents by going direct. The Network Insurers-Abacus partnership offers you a very timely opportunity to seize the moment and charge forward instead of becoming a statistic. The final crucial element for long-lasting business success is gaining access to an established, proven, credible system that will allow you to learn from the success of others and duplicate your own efforts without having to build your own process from the ground up. This takes us to the final major benefit of this timely opportunity: the established training and support system already in place in the Network Insurers-Abacus partnership. There will never be any need for you to reinvent the wheel as a member of our team. The Abacus Success System is already there for you. All you need to do is turn the key and open the door. Simply tap into what we've already developed and use the power of leverage to increase your production, build your team, and grow your business. At this point, you're probably wondering what your next steps are. It's really pretty simple. We've got some paperwork for you to complete to establish your commitment and to reserve yourself a spot on the team. In addition, there's contracting paperwork to complete, which you can mail, fax, or email back to us, or even give it to us in person. And finally, because we're committed to professionalism, you'll need to complete some basic training in order to make sure you understand the products and services we offer. Well, we've covered a lot of material in a short amount of time, but as I'm sure you can see by now, the Network Insurers-Abacus partnership truly offers you access to a new way of thinking about how to fulfill those 5 key requirements for a long-lasting, viable business. So, if you have any further questions, please speak up, contact your sponsor, or Network Insurers directly at 800-643-2212. Network Insurers, a way of thinking you can count on.